everybody, it is me Umika and welcome back to my channel Umika Sharma, and today I'm going to tell you the quickest way of creating a gorgeous Instagram story, and this will only take a few seconds. So let's get started. Click on this plus button where it is showing you new post. Just choose story. You can take a picture or choose from your gallery, and I'll choose this one. You can see, and then click on this draw button coming on the top, a curved line. Basically just choose this color picker option and pick the color of the major part of your photo. Like I'm choosing this yellow one, which will be perfect for this one. Then hold the screen for 2 seconds like this, and the color that you chose will come as your background. Now make use of the eraser tool. You can increase the size a little bit if you are interested, and just erase. You'll get the picture that you chose underneath, and you can create a really cool effect like this. You can make some other changes like adding text and also draw something like this. And then you can click on the stick button and then download it. Using this download button, it will show processing and then photo saved. Now you can access it from your gallery like this. Guys, I want to tell you that this method is also applicable on videos. You can create a video and absolutely use the same effect and process to make your video look amazing too. If you still want a tutorial with the video, then please hit the like button and comment below so I know that. Okay, so guys, only this much in today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you liked it, then don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.